Hey y'all, Ike here again, back with Badass, and your standard American son of a bitch. So, I don't like going to town. So I only do it once a week. Go grocery store, go liquor store, get gas. Get it all taken care of in one trip, because I hate fucking town. But today while I was in town, it started snowing. We got down to the grocery store, and while the kid was bagging up groceries, I said, hey, I'm going to walk down next door to the liquor store, and we'll get me a dirty 30. And I said, I'll make you the car. And on my way back to the car, as it's snowing, and because I'm easily bored and even easily entertained, I started walking up to strangers in the parking lot going, hey, bet you can't catch a snowflake on your tongue. And I had a whole parking lot full of fucking strangers I had never met before in my life. Running around a goddamn parking lot with their tongue sticking out, trying to catch a fucking snowflake, because I bet them they couldn't. I didn't even bet them anything, I just said I bet you. But here they are, grown-ass adults, in public, running through a parking lot with their tongue sticking out trying to catch snowflakes. Now, I don't know if I awoke something in their childhood that just made them do that, or maybe they're the kind of crazy stupid I am too, I don't know. But something brought us all together in that parking lot chasing snowflakes with our tongues. It was a beautiful day. So I'd like y'all to go out there and just do something so ridiculously stupid that you would have done as a kid. Be true to your 12-year-old self. And see if you can get somebody else to find their 12-year-old self right along with you. I'd like to thank Tipper Jockford Studios for the background music. You rock, frog. I know you don't take requests, brothers, but I do want to tell you, Stacy's mom's got it going on. Think about it. And like always, my videos are never sponsored. And they're definitely not sponsored by Dreamies. Individually wrapped 6 cakes. Cream-filled cakes. They make life sweeter. Much like chasing snowflakes with your tongue with a bunch of strangers in the fucking Save-A-Lot parking lot. Till next time, I'm Mike Backwoods Badass, standard American son of a bitch.